How to add text in CapCut PC. So if you want to add a text in CapCut PC, then what you need to do is first you just need to open up your CapCut PC application. So I'll be choosing my application, or you can also go with the website. So you can go with an existing project, or you can also go with a create project or create a new project. And here you will have import option. Click on import, and then you can import your videos or images that you would like to add. So for example, I'll be choosing a video. Once you choose, you just need to drag and drop that to the bottom of your timeline. And once you drag and drop, now you can adjust. And once you've adjusted, you can click on the video or the image. And here on the upper left, you will have a text option. Simply click on the text. Once you click on text, here you will have the options. So, for example, you will have default text or any other text right here. So I'll be choosing default text. And once you choose, you can simply click on the plus icon, and here you will have the text option, right? So you just need to simply click on the text, and then you can add a text. Once you added the default text, now you just need to simply choose the text, and once you choose, you can simply drag and adjust your text. Once you've adjusted, now go for the right side of your screen, upper right side, and here under the basic you will have the default text, right? So you can simply remove that, and then you can add another thing that you would like to add. Once you've added, now you can go with the font. So you can simply change your font. For example, I'll be choosing a font. And once you've choose the font, now you can go with the font size. You can adjust the font size. And once you've adjusted, now here you will have the pattern. So if you want bold, then you can add your bold, or you will have all of these options. You can also add the case and then the color. So if you want your text to be another color, then you can simply choose the color. And once you've chosen, now you need to go with the character and then the line. So for now, I'll be choosing 0. And you can also adjust the alignment, and you can go with the preset style, and you can go with the scale. So you can adjust the scale and the position, and you can also go with the opacity. Like you can go with the blend option, and here you can choose the opacity and the thickness and background. You can also add a background to your text if you want to, or if you don't want to, then unclick it. And here you will have all of these options if you have a pro version. So you can simply adjust everything and then go with save as present. And once you've saved, you just need to simply go with export, which is on the upper right. And that's it. That's how you can add a text in your CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.